Hello everybody. So today I want to show you how to do about the adjusting entries. Question number 1. We have repay insurance that is about 9,800 and we know that there are two things. The first one that is about the building and that is about 6,000 we purchased on 1st July 2015 and the policy that is for 3 years. And the next one that is about 1st January and that is about 4,800 and that is about 2 years in here. So in this case we need to use about number 1 that is about insurance expense and prepaid insurance. And this one we need to recall about the insurance expense. Now we need to calculate. So we know that this is about last year because we just recall in 2016. This is at the beginning of the year. So we can see that we have 6,000 and that is 3 years. So we just know that the financial report they only 1 year. So that means for the building we know that they just start in a half year last year, that is about 6 months. But this land in here that is about 1 year. So this is about January 1st and this is about December 31st. This is about July 1st. So we just use about 6,000 divided by 3. We don't need to care about this one because we want to find about 1 year in here. So 6,000 divided by 3. So this one we have 2,000 in here. And the next one, this is about 2 years. So we want to find only 1 year in here. So we put 4,800. We divide by 2. And you got 2,400. So we sum this number in here and this number in here. We got about 4,400. And this is the answer for question number 1. Question number 2, that is about unearned subscription revenue. So we know that the total is about 49,000, but the price for one subscription that is about 50. So in this case we can see that they start at 1st October. So we draw the line in here. From this point here to this point here, that is about 3 months. Now we do similar for this one, that is about 2 months and 1 month. So we need to know that at the end of the year we need to adjust about this one. So the price for 1 unit that is about 50 US dollars, and we know that we have 3 over 12. That means we have 3 months out of 12 months. 12 months that is about 1 year. Now we need to adjust about this one, and if we calculate in this way in here, you will have about this amount in here. So we sum all of them and you got about 7,000. So we can write about unearned subscription revenue Then we can write about subscription revenue, and that is about 7,000. So to record the subscription revenue, now let's go to the question number 3. We have notes payable 40,000. This balance consists of a note of 6 months of an annual interest rate of 9%, and we have dated 1 September. So we need to know that from 1st September in here to December, that is about 4 months. So in this case, we have 40,000 in here. We multiply by 9%, that is about interest rate for 1 year. But we just finished only 1 month, so that is about 4 divided by 12. So we calculate this one, and you got about 1,200. And now we need to put not is spent or interest is spent, and then we have interest payable. So we put about 1,200 in here and here. And the last one, we have the salaries. So the first thing, if we analyze this one, we need to find the salary per day for 5 employees and 3 employees in here. So we calculate it this way. So for 5 employees in here, we have $500 per week. Now we need to divide by 5 days. So you got about 100 and 3 employees in here. That is about 800. Now we need to divide by 5 days, and you got about 160. Now they work only 3 days, so that means we use this number in here. We have 100, we multiply by 3 days and 5 employees in here, and 160 we multiply by 3 days and 3 employees in here. So we sum all the numbers in here, so you got 2,940. And now we need to record about salary and wage expense. And salaries and wage payable. So that is about 2,940. This one to record the salaries expense. Oh, I forget S in here. So this is the answer for all the questions. That is the end. Thank you for watching.